Hello and welcome to this video from InPhase. Today we're going to take a brief look at the gauge chart. We can see an example here on screen where we're looking at a measure of the percentage of identified potholes that have been filled. The gauge is showing the current performance for April, and we can see here that we are exceeding target as indicated with the green star. In the centre we have our current year-to-date value of 93%. And as I hover over the individual circles there around the number, we can see the actual year-to-date figure, the target year-to-date figure, and also the year-to-date goal, which is also indicated at the bottom of the chart. So it's a really lovely way of providing an infographic view of your performance for any chosen measure. If I pick a different month, here we can see that we are now underperforming and we have the red alert. Or indeed, if we move on another month, we're then performing within expected target levels. Okay, let's maximize the widget and have a quick look at the chart criteria for the new gauge visualization. Here it is, it's in the bottom right hand corner. We have a number of sub options. The selected one is highlighted there. We've also got period values rather than year to date. We can see the gauge without the performance alert symbol as shown there, still having the goal, the target and the actual values being displayed, or we can simply have a measure arc for the actual value itself. There are lots of properties available outside of the usual colour, data, text options that we see regularly. If we look into the specific features of the gauge chart, we've got control over its appearance, end shapes, do we want them round or square, background arcs and their opacity, angles, the position within the widget itself, and even the value range. So for example, because we're looking at a percentage, I might say that the maximum is going to be 100, and then my arc within the gauge will then zoom round to fill the current performance as my measure is tracked over time. So incredibly powerful and all available for you straight out of the box with InPhase.